Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2019 Kawasaki Z1000 Ninja with ABS. This sport tourer has right about 4,800 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike is pretty much all stock, I would say just with a factory upgrade. Front tire on it, decent shape, got some miles left on it. I have noticed a couple of little scrapes on the right side here, but I don't find any signs that tells me it tipped over, so I'm guessing this probably got rubbed on a garage wall. So really the only accessory on this bike is the color matched key to like saddlebags that have been added to it, and I believe these are like a factory add-on. So other than that, this bike is all stock. Rear tire, decent tread. Got a little bit of a flat patch there in the middle, as you can see, but you know, for being a 1000cc bike, I guess I would probably personally put a new back tire on it just to make sure I got a good one on it. And as again, like I said, it's got ABS on it. You can see it there. $47.70 is what's on it. This 2019 Kawasaki Z1000 Ninja is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.